Hey everybody, Dave Fontaine here at Wayne Toyota with our 2020 LE Highlander all-wheel drive. This was a redesigned vehicle for us in 2020 and it did fantastic for us. We're down to our last one. Want to show you some of the details and see what you think. This of course has a 3.5 liter 6-cylinder engine. All our vehicles come with a Northern package, which includes a block heater. Got a nice new bold front end, LED headlights, 18-inch aluminum rims, blind spot monitoring is standard on it, as well as keyless entry. The LE model has cloth seats, power seat, the driver's side. In the second row, you can see it's quite spacious. We have our winter set of mats in the vehicle now. It also comes with summer mats. The rear windows are all tinted from factory. Pull this lever here and you'll see the seats come forward, nice and easy to get back to that third row. And then of course this seat will also collapse all the way. So these will collapse, the third row will collapse, and you have lots of cargo space for larger items. Of course, there's two USB ports back here and a separate heat. As we move to the rear of the vehicle, I'll show you it does have a backup camera right here. The Highlanders also have tow packages available. We'll tow up to 5,000 pounds for you. This is the cargo space you get with the third row up. Nice and easy to drop the seat. And with the seat down, you'll have lots of cargo space. There's a little bit of storage in here with your tools. Let's take a look at some of the features inside the vehicle. Some of the standard safety features that now come in the new Highlander are right here. This is your lane departure alert, where it'll warn you if you start to drift from your lane. The adaptive cruise control right here, the dynamic radar cruise control, where you can set the distance between you and the car in front of you. Of course, you have automatic headlights and high beams, and the pre-collision system where it brakes for you in an emergency. Of course, the new head unit that comes with the vehicle comes Bluetooth. It's a bigger screen. They moved it up a little bit higher so you have more of a lateral eye movement while you're driving for safety. Heated seats are right here on both sides. Down here you can see you have your communication port for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and then two charging ports right here, and the 12-volt charger as well. Standard now is a power parking brake that automatically deploys when you put it into park, and then into reverse or drive it automatically turns off. And then you have some traction control options: mud and sand, rock and dirt, and then of course snow mode here. You have your sport and your eco mode. If you need more power for passing or towing, sport mode is recommended. And if you're sitting idle in a parking lot or moving very slowly and you want to put it into eco mode, it reduces engine power to give you better mileage. We'll move up here. You can see that this unit now comes with our new SOS system, where in an emergency, sensors deploy. A call center will then call you through the vehicle to see if you're okay. That's our 2020 Highlander LE all-wheel drive. We've got some great rebates and discounts on this unit. It's our last unit, so if you're interested, give us a call, come on down, book a test drive. Thanks again for watching, and stay safe.